This may be one of the most helpful updates Midjourney has yet to release. And with other apps like Canva and FreePic embracing the power of AI, editing software and tools like Photoshop may not be as necessary as they once were.
So, what's this new update about, Eric?
It is an external image editor, and it brings some incredibly powerful new features.
External image editing.
Upload images from your computer and then expand, crop, repaint, add, or modify things in the scene.
Image retexturing mode.
This could all be controlled and handled simply by just your prompt and the paintbrush. And one important key thing is that the image editor lets you upload images. That way you can now use the image editor for just not only AI generations, but your personal photos. You no longer need to depend on graphic design tools like Photoshop and Illustrator, because it's going to allow you to have all the power in your hand and edit it simply based off prompts.
Here's a 20% off discount code for the Everything Bundle.
But another key feature they just introduced is this image retexturing mode. That's where you can have the original image and then completely change the texture with the image on the right. All image editing actions can be controlled via text prompting and region selection. And so if we quickly take a look at this sample video right here, you could see this going on in real time. So you're going to upload your image. Okay, here's an image of this dog right here, and you could see in real time he's just painting the area above the dog's head where he wants to add a hat. So as he paints it, notice up here at the very top, that's all he says, a dog wearing a party hat. And look at this, just like that, boom, a hat is going to appear on top of that dog's head. Matching sweater, matching party hat. Pretty amazing. And now when it comes to retexturing, he's doing the same thing. He's painting out a specific area, making the image larger, and then with a prompt, he's transforming it into a mid-century modern home. No complex editing or knowing how to access all these certain tools in tools like Photoshop or Illustrator. So we're over here right now in my Midjourney account, and as I scroll down, you can see I've been really busy specifically creating some architecture with some very unique and amazing looking prompts, which will then bring me to my next step. In my mega prompts database, you could see over here, I am in my gallery view, and these are going to be all prompts specifically for just Midjourney. And now here we go. Here is my AI influencer right here, named Luna.
Hi, I'm Luna. Nice to meet you.
I think this is going to be the perfect image to start with. If I like it, I'm going to go ahead and download this one to start. There it is. It's downloaded.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Now, once you're on the home page, on the left-hand side, this is where you find it. Simple. Just select this new edit button right here. I'm going to go ahead and select edit uploaded image. Once you select it, my download folder is going to pop up, and then there is my image of Luna. Let's go ahead and now upload this. So the first thing I want to do is I want to completely change up this whole entire background, and let's just say let's put Luna at the beach. Okay, simple. On the left hand side, let's go ahead and select this erase button. I can adjust my brush size with this toggle button right here. You see how big or small I can make it? Now, you don't have to be perfect, because the AI in Midjourney is going to know exactly what you mean by just getting it somewhat close. Okay, because I don't want to really remove her hair, but we're going to just try and get just this background removed and completely change the background to a whole new tropical beach setting. And now there we have it. Now the next thing you need to do is simply just type in the prompt now up here at the very top. So what I'll say is just simply 2 words, tropical beach, just like that. It really is that simple. Now submit edit. Now watch this. You give it a few seconds, and on the right hand side, it's already going to generate 4 images that I can now choose from once it's done. Okay, amazing. Look how good of a job this did. There's the first image, and let's go through a few of these other ones right here, and look at this one right here. This is exactly what I mean, how you don't have to do that precise of a job with your erasing tool, because look at this. Notice her hair. The hair is still there. It didn't chop it up. This was a perfect blend, okay? Nice job. Okay, staying on this image, let's take things even further this time. Let's just go ahead and hover over her eyes just like that. Now, let's, in our prompt now, just put something different. Let's just say black Chanel sunglasses, okay? See how good of a job this could do. Now remember, if it doesn't do a good job, over here on the left-hand side, you can go ahead and click that restore button, and right down below, you can also reset the whole image by simply selecting that reset button. And now while this is waiting, I also want to point out one very important key thing you may not realize. This tool is actually going to do an incredible job where you're going to get multiple arms, limbs, or distortion in your fingers, or sometimes too many or too few fingers. This is going to help because all you have to do is highlight that area and then just simply type in the prompt, hand or fixed fingers. Okay, it looks like our images are done, and now look how good of a job this did. Now this is incredible. Look at this first one specifically. Now remember, I went ahead and I highlighted over her eyes. I removed her eyes and portions of her eyebrow. But the AI was so smart because as you can see a closer look, the eyes are still there. It made the sunglasses still a little bit transparent. This is going to work perfectly for clothing changes as well. And now right off the bat, you can already see on the right hand side, look how good of a job this did. This is phenomenal. It maintained everything. It kept the glasses, the transparency, the beach setting, and look how good her hair is. Fantastic. I even have a few different hairstyles. That first one or this last one definitely looks phenomenal. This is going to work wonders for character consistency. Okay, so let's scroll down and see if I can find something in this database specifically for scenery. So this one might do the trick. Let's download this image right here. Now let's go ahead and upload that most recent image I just downloaded, that interior design image. Now the next thing we'll do is simply hit that retexture button, okay? Retexture will change the contents of the input image while trying to preserve the original structure. So all you have to do is just simply type in a specific prompt. Now remember what I said earlier, I was able to create some very stunning images like this by simply using this style of a prompt. So let's do that. Let's go ahead and then just copy this portion of it where I said color palette and then magenta, black, and white, okay? Now with that copied, let's go ahead and enter that up here in the prompt box just like that and then see what this can come up with. Okay, that looks pretty amazing. Look at that. All of the images are exactly what I wanted. That is very impressive. And I'll use this shoe neon colors, okay? So now I used a completely different image reference and let's see what happens with this. And now I got exactly what I was looking for. That's pretty cool. Look at that. That's pretty impressive with the retexture. And this is only the start. You can actually get a lot better at this if you really take the time to really focus and dive in to really edit your image the way you want. I just want to make this video to give you a quick overview of what this can do. If you like this video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and thank you so much for watching.